Today we're going to bring a PCIe board. This is additional USBs. If you guys can see, you have two USBs 3.2 and then three USBs. All right, so we're going to set this up because we have this desktop here. Not enough USBs. If you own a Lenovo, they don't have enough space in there. And unfortunately, I have a lot of things that I need to set up for it. So we're going to set this up today and see how it works and see how it responds, all right? All right, so if you see, it's a little crowded in here, but we're going to be able to make it, right? We have a Elgato card in here. We have which is the NVIDIA card here that we have. It's a Quadro card. So if you guys ever dealt with this, you don't have enough space for a lot of these things. So we're going to go ahead and fit this one probably right in between here and the last port, or maybe in between here. I did remove the two plugs, the two covers, right? Because I'm not quite sure which one's going to be on the left and the right. You don't require screws on this one, which I like about it. So it's just dropped in there. I do have two USB type C's here, if you guys can see that. But they're really tight. So this is my camera and this is my other camera too. So we're going to disconnect these because we're not going to need them from the front no more. And I do have a Lenovo Threadripper. It's a P620 that we're going to install it. So if you have something like this that you need to install, this is probably the thing for you. All right, so I do have my two connections here, my two cameras. One camera here, the overhead, and then this is the front camera. So we're plugging it in right behind it, and then we're just plugging our power and we're ready to go. And we're going to plug in things, how much power we're getting out of it. So let's plug it in, let's turn it on. It just turned on right now, but it's just a temporary turn on and then it'll turn off. I just installed the card on the bottom of it because if you guys can see, it's on right now. So I can see a little green light coming on right now. Okay, so we got this camera, which is the top one right there, going. And then we got the overhead, which is this one right here. I'm going to show you guys. The overhead's right here, right on the top. So very simple. I mean, I was able to connect it, and I don't have to worry about cable management in the front. This whole system here, it's on my Threadripper right now. It's dusty right now. It's at the bottom right now. It's running really good. I could see it. It's working, because if not, these things wouldn't be coming up. So if you're ever looking out, need extra connections, USBs, this is the perfect thing to do. So very simple to install. You guys can see you got extra ports now. You don't have to worry about it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.